In the last video, I recorded, I explained how to install it, and now we will configure it. I am on the first page you get after logging into the web GUI of Pfsense. Okay, and what I want to do is I have 3 machines and I want them to be on separate networks. So my Windows 11 would be on a separate network and my Metasploitable 2 will be on a separate network. Okay, for that I have to add 2 network adapters. First of all, I will go into Pfsense settings and click on add another network adapter. Okay, then click on finish. And after click on finish, you will have a network adapter 3, and you can set up a new LAN segment by going into this LAN segments and adding another. Okay, now my Windows in this is on this LAN segment 1 and my Metasploitable is on the LAN segment. Now we will configure the world LAN segment into Pfsense. Okay, and I have seen a lot of errors, a lot of issues happening with the second lane in Pfsense. I have seen a lot of Reddit posts, a lot of forums posts. That's it. Its internet is not working, and yeah, like that. I was also having that issue while testing this out, and I will go through it and how to set it up. Okay, first of all, we will just go through the setup of Pfsense. Next, yeah, support is available 24/7. Next, name, domain, yeah, keep it all default. Primary for DNS server, I always go with Cloudflares. So 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. If you want to go with Google's, it's 8.8.8.8 or 8.8.4.4. I prefer Cloudflare though. So keep this the same. Time server is very important. So, and yeah, we'll go with DSCP. MAC address is all good. Static IP configuration. Yeah, we can change it. DHCP hostname. No need to change it. No need to change anything. These are options, I think, for your router setup. Like if you are changing your router. Next. Yeah, this is all good. New admin password is very important, and keep your password secure. And I won't be putting my password as admin at the rate 123. Okay, don't put your password as admin at the rate 23. Keep that in mind. Okay. Okay, we'll just reload the router, reload the Pfsense, and it will reload in just it's done. Check for updates is not, it's not necessary if you have just recently downloaded the NetGet ISO. It's not necessary. And finished. Just that, just like that. Okay. Should be done. Finish. Yeah. Now, yes, if we can remove this widget, we can see there are 2 interfaces, but we require 3. This WAN is for getting the internet. LAN is for getting the internet. The LAN is the LAN is the network from which this Windows machine gets internet, and we require another network on which our Metasploitable 2 will connect. Okay, just go to interface, click on assignments, and add button. If you have another network adapter mentioned, it will automatically show you EM2, and you can just click on add. Okay, now click on save. Now click on OPT1. This should be the new network adapter. Click on it, and we have to customize, configure it. Click on enable interface, IP configuration, static IPv4. Yeah, MAC address in this is not required. Assign an IP to it, and just do this 168.1, and we'll change it to 24. So what does this mean? 24. It will change this number. Okay, so if we mention 24 here, we will get 254 IPs. We will get 254 IPs that can be assigned to all the machines that would be connected to this network. Okay, if we change it to 16, let's say, it will change both these numbers, 2 and 1. So we'll get a lot more like this. Okay, Now, yeah, this all is done. We can just click on save, apply changes. Don't forget to adjust the DHCP server range if needed after applying. Yeah, we'll go there next. After this is done, just go to services and DHCP server. Click on OK. We'll go through this later. Click on OPT1, enable DHCP server, clear and check it. Check this one, and yeah, we can select the pool range from 1 to this. Okay, I will just assign 100 devices, so 1 into 1168.2.100 and till, wait, I do hard work, 99. So there are 100 devices assigned to it, so only 100 devices can connect to this network. Okay, keep this all same, no need to change it, no need to change anything. Keep all of it same and click on save. Apply changes, wait for a few seconds and click on this networking thing. It's not necessary, it's not required right now, but just switch it because this ICDSCP is going to be removed from Pfsense later on. Just switch it to Kia, no worries, and go down, save, saved. Now click on firewall, add a rule. We have to allow OPT networks, OPT1 devices to reach out to the network. So we have to create some rules. Don't click on here, I will just copy these all. Just click on here, go to LAN first of all, click on this and click on copy. Now switch to OPT1 here and just enable this. What is happening right now, all of the rules those are set in lane will be copied to the OPT1, and this convert interface definition check button just changes all the things that are explicitly for LAN to explicitly to OPT1. Here's example. If yeah, I will show you it. Yes, okay. OPT1 rules are set. I will show you what it changed. When you go to lane, the source is LAN subnets and OPT1 is OPT1 subnets. So this was changed by that check button. Okay. So firewall rule is done. You can go into net outbound. Yeah, this is all good. And by now we should see that this should go. If it's unreachable, we just reboot it for a second. It's rebooting. Let's wait for the scene. And just yeah, the IP is assigned to OPT1 and let's create a widget. See the graph. Network is going through or not. We can see LAN has network. We'll check on this in a bit. And it should work. It works. We have got the internet on second network as well. Okay, I will show you. We are on other network settings. So this is the setting for my Metasploitable 1, and now I close it up and go to Windows settings, and we can see I am on LAN segment, and you can also see the network showing. When I run the ping, it was showing up on the graph. Okay, now the video is over. I'm sorry for how I'm talking right now. I know it's I sound little down and less confident, but I will improve it. I will improve it for sure. And if I was able to fix your problem, or if I was able to teach you something new today, just please thank me in the comments. That's it. Bye.